Hello everyone, welcome. So you've just sold your first item on Vinted, congrats. Now comes the crucial step, getting that parcel packaged up and posted to your buyer. Vinted makes shipping dead simple with prepared labels, but there are a few key steps you need to follow so you get paid without any hassle. So you can just open up Vinted app and tap on that chat notification for your sold item. Tap Get Shipping Label or Get Digital Barcode. This generates your prepaid postage details instantly. Now package your item securely using a sturdy mailing bag or cardboard box. Fold your item neatly, wrap it well, and seal the package tightly using strong packaging tape so it stays safe during transit. Then let's attach your label and send the parcel on its way. So if you have a printer, you can just print out the shipping label and stick it firmly on the front of your parcel, making sure you don't cover the barcode with the reflective tape. Then if you don't have a printer, select the digital barcode option so the drop-off shop can print it for you on the spot. Take your parcel to the chosen courier point, like a Avery parcel shop, in-post locker or something else. Scan your code, drop off the parcel and keep your receipts. And keep a close eye on your posting time frame. Vinted gives you a strict 5 working days to drop off your parcel once an item is bought. If you miss the deadline, the order cancels automatically and refunds the buyer. So that's it. These are your steps, guys. Enjoy.